Hi, welcome to a new and last video of this section in the channel. The topic for this video is environmental adaptability. Do you want to know more? Well, don't say more and let's start. According to the microbiologist Stephen Avedon, adaptability is the ability to change in response to changing environmental conditions. This means that according to the conditions of the environment, living beings are able to adapt as a stimuli effect. It is important that species can adapt because if it is not, their descendants and future evolutions will stop, causing the extinction of that species. There are three types of adaptability. The first is morphological adaptation, and this allows animals to be adapted to the habitat they live in. An example of this is camouflage. That mechanism is good for distracting predators from their surroundings. Chameleons reflect this effect very well. Physiological adaptation is another type of mechanisms of adaptability. This depends on the metabolisms and the internal working of the animals, because depending on that is how animals can adapt in their temperature, amount of light, and food shortage. For example, animals conserve their energy in the winter with hibernation or conserve their energy during hot seasons. This is called starvation. Also, animals have to adapt to the type of food when they are going to migrate because it's not the same kind of food they like. The last type of adaptability is behavioral adaptation. This consists of the alteration in the habitual behavior of the animal, and there is a different factor that causes that alteration, such as reproduction or food war. As I mentioned, to avoid the extinction of a species, reproduction is necessary. That's because commonly males have to woo females to have descendants. For example, males do dances, fight with other males, sing, or exhibit their masculine body to females. Humans are impacting the adaptability of all living beings, and it's obvious why. Humans are changing the world and not everything is for good. Before the Industrial Revolution, there were more white moths than black. But after all the impact of that period, the gene of moth was modified due to the effects of pollution in the Industrial Revolution. At that time, most of the moths were black. So, with this story, we can analyze how humans are impacting the environmental adaptability of every species. This topic of adaptability is interesting, and each day I'm more impressed by how imperfectly perfect are living beings. Here I show you all my bibliography I used for this video. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you like it and could have learned something new. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!